So if you've been a copywriter for very long, you've probably heard of something called a swipe file. A swipe file is a place where copywriters traditionally will put inspiration for marketing copywriting. So maybe they see an ad online or in print, in a magazine or something. Well, a swipe file is a place where you would put that marketing copy so that it could later inspire you to write your own copy. That's where this tool and this website comes in. I want to show you. It's called Swipe.co. It's basically a swipe file archive, an internet archive of some of the greatest print and online advertisements. But not only is that, the man who is doing this website here is actually doing swipe studies. So that's what he calls them. He actually goes in and explains why he thinks these ads are so successful. And that's where I think the real value of this writing tool comes in. If you're needing to write a print ad or a digital ad or landing page copy, you really have to do a lot of research and a lot of thinking about why you need to write what you need to write. So, for example, this swipe study you did here is an advertisement for a local dentistry somewhere. It says here in Toronto, Canada. And he actually goes through and says why he thinks they wrote what they wrote. And so here, for example, it says calling 3-year-olds. His annotation says very specific targeting. Since 3 is around the time you first start going to the dentist regularly, this is a great age to focus on. And so he's saying this was a great job by them by saying calling all 3 years old. See, it seems very unassuming. It seems very normal for them to say that, but they do it for a reason. They're using that copy so that parents, when they read this advertisement, they'll think, oh, my child's 3 years old. They probably need to start going to the dentist. So here he shows the example they have of a little girl. It says the photo of an excited girl is a big asset for this ad. It instantly conveys fun, entertainment, and is going to grab the attention of parents with kids this age. So again, and then the call to action. It seems they registered a custom email just for RSVPs. So not only does this go into the writing, it goes into the strategy, the thinking behind it. And that is what great marketing copywriting is all about. It's not just about the words, it's about the thinking behind the words. So I encourage you, go to this website, swipe.co. The next time you need to write an ad, the next time you need to generate some marketing copy, direct sales letter, I would go here, do your research, and see if it doesn't improve your writing.